Welcome to Hamburg. Welcome to the ZAL Innovation Days. How can we use robotics to shape the future of aviation? This question we would like to answer together with you in the next 2 days.
I think it's absolutely important to open up your R&D. And what we see today is that innovation comes from an ecosystem where you open up interfaces to other developers, to startups, to small and medium-sized entrepreneurs. And this is the basis for fast and agile innovation. And the ZAL Innovation Days are a window to show all this, and the meet and greet and the opportunity to get new ideas together.
I think it's a big breakthrough in industry using AI, because this is a new era where the computer actually understands the data. So it's not just storing and transmitting data, but understanding data.
I think the robot will collaborate with everyone, but the difficulty is convincing people that they want to work with robots. They think that they're just going to bring in a robot and they're just going to replace that person with it. Well, no, they're freeing up that person to do another task further on somewhere in the business.
Culture eats strategy for breakfast. So if you are now going back to your organization and say, oh, we need to collaborate more in order to be quicker, faster, more successful, then it's all about company's culture.